Welcome to Stealth Demo. We're going to be exhibiting our technology and showing you a small demo on how it works. Here's a chamber that we've created. What we're going to do is we're going to fill this chamber with smoke. On the inside of the chamber you can see our technology. There's our power probe. And there's our filters. So the blue is our filters, and that's our agglomeration technology right there. Basically, once again, we had a small problem with the seal at the bottom. We had to tape it because the smoke was exiting, so we want to prove to you guys that it's not. I know it's a little bit makeshift, but trust me, there is no smoke exiting this compartment. You'll see it. I'll keep the camera far enough away so you can see it's not coming out. Here's our filters packaged, very nicely done. Here's our filter itself, and then our racks. See our marketing materials. Mithra's going to explain polarization and agglomeration in about 2 seconds from now. I'm going to pass it over to him. We're going to be lighting that cigarette and filling this chamber full of smoke in a couple seconds. So we're going to let Mithra explain polarization and agglomeration and also give you guys a quick little run through of our filters. Mithra?
Alright, thank you, Trevor. So this is a 16 by 25 filter. This is something that goes inside of just about any size furnace. If you have a different size than 16 by 25, it really doesn't matter. We manufacture all sizes depending on whatever it is that you need. Now, the pad that we have inside here is a replacement pad, just like what you see on the wall. It's the exact same type of pad that you're going to see that's going to actually do the demo inside the smoke chamber. You have a contact piece here.
It's a contact probe.
Here's the contact probe itself that powers from the power head. It powers our actual filter. So what you're getting here are 3 different things that take place inside of this filter. The first thing that takes place is a thing called impingement. Impingement just means that as the particles fly through the air, they get captured by the media, the fiberglass that you see here, just like a regular filter that's currently in your furnace. When we turn on the power, we get polarization that happens within inside the frame. That polarization essentially is like a magnet capturing particles. The last piece that happens is as the particles are inside this static field, you have a process called agglomeration, where small particles join together to become bigger particles. They then will recirculate through the house and get captured again through the media on subsequent passes. This technology is proven. It's been around for over 30 years. We, however, have perfected it and made our filters not only inexpensive but extremely effective. The demo that you're going to see right here is going to essentially take smoke. It's going to go inside the chamber. We're going to light this cigarette. We're going to fill the smoke. We're going to fill the chamber full of smoke. We're going to turn on a fan, and we're going to recirculate the air within the chamber, and smoke will just continue to pass through our filter just like normal. The moment we turn on the power, our polarized field will take place within inside the filter, and it will take away all the smoke.
Should see all the smoke disappear. So basically we're going to start this right now. We'll light the cigarette and prove our technology works, guys. So we have a pump that goes over the cigarette, which we'll be able to use in the field for demos, for sales purposes, and other reasons, I guess. So we've sealed it. We'll be pumping smoke. You can see the smoke entering the chamber. I'll back up so everyone can see. So the smoke's entering. We'll fill a lot of smoke in there. We'll get it to the point where you can barely see through it. So once again, we're going to be turning on a fan. The smoke will circulate through the filters. The smoke particles are small enough to pass through the filters. Once we turn on the agglomerator, it will polarize, and you should see the particles start attracting to the filter and eventually disappearing. It happens very quickly, so you can see our technology works very fast and efficiently. So we'll turn on the fan, and and you'll see some smoke just sort of kind of going around through the filters and not really disappearing. So we will then turn on the agglomerator and you will see all of the smoke disappear. Stealth technologies. Unbelievable.
www.stealthaircleaners.com